So here's how to send emails with Wix. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First things first, log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, look for the Marketing and SEO option in the left-hand menu and click on it to access the marketing tools. Inside the marketing tools, you'll find Email Marketing. Click on it to open Wix's email marketing feature. Now you'll be taken to the email marketing dashboard to start sending emails. Wix offers various email templates for different purposes, such as announcements, promotions, and newsletters. Choose a template that suits your campaign or start from scratch. After selecting a template, you can customize the email to match your brand. Add your logo, change colors, change images, and modify the text to create a personalized and professional-looking email. Before sending the email to your subscribers, always preview and test it. Once you're satisfied with the email, you can choose to send it immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time. Select your preferred option and hit Publish. Congratulations! You've successfully sent your first email with Wix's email marketing tool.